This program contains scenes of nonsensical garbage and coarse language and is intended for a mature audience. Viewer discretion is advised.
Well, hello, my little trash bags. Welcome back to I Was Sent Some Shit. Let's unbox it. And today, baby, I got something so exciting for you. This is the Dear Birds collection from Mart, which, can I tell you, this has been all over my feed lately. And I kinda am really excited for one that has a bowl cut. I cannot wait to see how insane she looks in person. This collection is really cute, and honestly, I'm kind of surprised how small it is. I thought it was gonna be much bigger. Every video I've seen, unless all those people have tiny, tiny hands, which could be that, but it made it seem like it was gonna be so big, and these look so tiny. And I'm so excited to open them. So yay! Now, before we break into the festivities and the madness, I do want to say a special thank you to Popboxss, because they were the ones that were kind enough to send this to me. So thank you, my love. I adore your little faces. Not only have they sent me stuff in the past, but I am a loyal customer. And I have to say, they're awesome. If I'm ever looking for something region specific or something that I didn't know I actually needed until I laid my eyes on it, Popboxss has come through. And to me, the best part, besides the fact that they have like usually things that I cannot find, is their fast shipping. You order something and I swear like within a week or sometimes less, it shows up and you're like, what? It's insane. So I would say that's their best quality, besides their fun promotional events that they do. And of course the other, if you spend a certain amount, you get something for free. That's how I've been, again, collecting my little Nomies, and I love them. Actually, I also have like little pop beans too. They're so cute. I never thought I would be into pop beans, but they're all kind of behind me. Like, see that one shelf right there? Next to the kernel? Yeah, there's some pop beans. Anyway, I love Popboxss. They have it all. And if you ever want to check out their site, feel free to use my code Theresa, and you can save 15% off your order. So thank you, my love. Now let's open these bad boys because I'm so excited. Oh my God, I'm so excited. I want to be nice and try to open this like someone that has self-control. Hold please. Okay, I think I did it perfectly. Well, sort of. Don't look at the edges. And look, they actually match my nails, which is kind of amazing. Thank you. But the set is so cute. It's so cute. So here are all the little options. I have a little card below me so I could look at them clearly. Who do I think this is gonna be? This feels light. This feels like a light box. I feel like this could potentially be Hachi Poo Poo. I feel like the Make Me Blush. I feel like this could be it. This could also be Twinkle Twinkle, which the Twinkle Twinkle looks so adorable, but I kind of have a feeling this is gonna be Hachi Poo Poo. So let's see if I'm remotely right. No, I was so fucking close. It's little Twinkle Twinkle. Oh, you are so cute. Oh my God, shut up. Okay, so here's Twinkle Twinkle. What is your proper name, my love? All right, you are called Waiting in Snow. Ah, this is so cute. All right, this is adorable. Let me show you the card. Oh, I love the card. So the card looks like, basically like a little letter. You have a little Twinkle Twinkle on here. Oh, that's so good. And it's like the little plastic face. I don't know, sometimes the like plush face on some of the Twinkle Twinkles look like he's drunk. So I appreciate that he doesn't look half in the bag. Oh, he's so cute. He always looks like he's up to no good. He has a secret. And I respect that, I do. This one, hold on. I feel like this one's gonna be my Hachi Poo Poo. I just feel him. I don't know why, I just feel him. I feel him in this box. Let's see if I'm right. If it's not Hachi Poo Poo, who do I think it's gonna be? It could be Demu, but I think it's gonna be Hachi Poo Poo. It's either Hachi Poo Poo or Demu. Final answer, Hachi Poo Poo. Okay. Final answer, I'm determined to find him. No. Oh, hold on, girl. Okay. Okay. Oh, okay. Hold on. So this is Molly. Molly. Oh, God. Okay. Molly has seen some things. All right. So there's a card for Molly. Oh, Molly, babe. Oh, baby. Okay. Hold on a second. Oh. She looks like me as a child fighting my mother. Being like, no, you cannot brush my hair. I am meant to have tangles. That's what you look like, babe. Oh, she's angry. Okay. Again, if I had a child, this would be her. You're everywhere, baby. But this would be her, though. See, same face. She is really cute. But she's also making me cough, too. Because you're okay. Okay. Oh, you're fun though. All right. So here's the card. All right. Back of it. We love the envelope. You know, I'm going to be honest. I was expecting a little bit more of a bowl cut and less of like reality. So thank you for reminding me of my childhood. All right, thanks, girl. Okay, box number 3. I want to go with this one. I feel like this one is going to be, this is going to be Skull Panda. I don't know why. I just feel it in my gut that it's going to be Skull Panda. If it's not Skull Panda, it might be Hirono. Let's see if I'm right. Ah! Oh my God! Are you fucking kidding me? No, bitch! Ah! Okay. We got the secret. Shut up! Oh my God! Hold on, I gotta save you. Oh, you are. Shut up! Okay, wait a second. Okay, so this is more than words. Oh, shut up! All right, it says, oh, that gold card is so good. Oh, bitch. Oh, bitch, look at him. Oh, he's everything. Oh, yes, yes, you are. Oh, you're so good. You're so scary in the best way possible. Oh, I love his little feeties. Oh my, are you kidding me right now? Can I tell you, this morning I woke up, horrible allergies, and I feel like garbage right now. This brought me back to life. This is like, I actually am like doing a new allergy pill. I was like, let me not take Allegra, let me try take Zyrtec. Zyrtec sucks, by the way. Zyrtec, not Spawn. But you know what though? I was crying for my Allegra this morning. I don't need it anymore because I have him. I have him. And you are literally healing my insides right now. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Ah! Okay. Okay, bitch. What does that mean though? Oh no, what does that mean? Does it mean we don't get the other Hirono? I think, I don't know. It's okay. Be happy with what you have, bitch. Okay. Ah! All right, I'm so excited. Oh shit, I would have never seen that coming. Okay, this feels heavy. This also feels heavy. I think this one is gonna be my Labubu. If it's not my Labubu, it is my Crybaby. Let's see if I'm right. Watch it be Hachi Poop. Fucking knew it. I was like, something tells me this is gonna be pink. Oh, he's cute. Okay, he's cute. Oh, he's adorable. Oh, you are adorable. You look so lost. He looks like he's looking for somebody. I can't. Oh, he's so cute. Okay, not gonna lie, obviously number 1, but this is actually number 2. I'm kind of surprised by that because I think it looks better than Twinkle Twinkle. I know. Tell me about it. So, okay, here's Hachi Poo Poo. Love the card. All right. Love, 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 love. We have 4 boxes left. I am missing Crybaby, Labubu, Demu, Skull Panda, and potentially Hirono. But I think because we got this Hirono, I don't think we get the other Hirono. I could be wrong. Okay, I think this one's gonna be Skull Panda. I think this one's gonna be Skull Panda. If it's not Skull Panda, it is going to be Crybaby, but watch it be a Labubu. Ah, bitch! Okay. Oh, girl. Girl, okay. She is angry. Oh, she's like a little angry bird. I kind of love that. I love that. Okay, so this one is called A Dawn Duet. You are the perfect little fire that warms up my day. Oh, that's so sweet. She looks like an evil bitch. And listen, I respect that. The only thing though, I wish like she could move her eyes. She can't, but she is adorable though. She's cute. I'm not gonna lie, when I saw like footage of her, she looked kind of crazy. But like she actually is really, really cute. I don't know if you're top, but like you're up there though. Okay, 3 boxes left. Oh God. So who are we missing? We're missing Crybaby, Labubu, and Demu, and potentially Hirono. Okay, I think this one is going to be Demu. I feel it. If it's not Demu, it is going to be Labubu. Bitch, oh my God, oh God, so what does that mean? Oh God, oh no. Oh no. Okay, first of all, he is really cute. So we got another Hirono. Oh no. Oh no, I hope that means we didn't get Demu because I would be really crushed if we didn't get Crybaby or Labubu, but we shall see, we shall see. Oh, bitch, okay, this is cute. Honestly, I'm kind of really happy that I have both of them. Brothers, I can't. They're so cute. Okay, I love his little crown. I love again that he's up to no good. It's so cute. Like his little feather back here, his little tail. And then this is the card. I think it's called My Deepest Secret. which is adorable. Love that. We have 2 boxes left. Oh God. Oh God. Oh, I feel like we didn't get Labubu. I feel like we didn't get Labubu, which is so, that's sad. Okay. I think this one is going, I'm going to shoot my shot. I feel like it's going to be Demu, but I'm going to say it's Labubu. Ah, okay, good. Oh, wait. Oh, fuck. Okay. Oof. So we got Labubu. Oh, but I want Crybaby though. Oh, I hope we got Crybaby. First of all, I don't know. Oh, can you see that? How cool is that? Okay, that's the garbage truck. That sounded terrifying though for like a hot second. I was like, is the earth opening up? Okay. All right. Oh my God, look how cute he is. Oh, he's so cute. Looks like he's wearing a coat. He's giving like, kind of like pimp energy, and I love that. I kind of love that for him. Oh, he is so cute. Oh, you're so cute. Okay, here is your card. Here is your card. Oh, that's so good. So you are Dive Into Love. Oh, you're so fun. I want this to be Crybaby. If this is not Crybaby, I'm going to be so, I'm going to cry. Because I really, that was actually my favorite one. If it's not, it's going to be Hachi Popo. No, wait. Sorry, Demu. Which Demu is cute too, but I'm gonna shoot my shot and say this is Crybaby, but I have a feeling this is gonna be Demu. Ah, yes, bitch! Okay. Demu, all right. Listen, Demu is cute, but I'm okay not having Demu. Okay, I think she is my favorite. Look at her. Oh, she's so cute. I can't. Oh, I adore you. Oh, she's so good. That was wild. That was wild. All right, let me show you the card. So this is the Shall We Dance? Oh, Shall We Dance? Oh, that's so cute. Oh, that's so good. Can I tell you, I feel like garbage, but this cured me. This absolutely fucking cured me. I am now one with the universe and I feel amazing. But let's rank these little babies because obviously we need to know which one reigns supreme. And I'm gonna say, listen, in last place, if her hair wasn't so crazy, I wish it was more like a bowl cut. So I'm gonna say Past Me is gonna be in last place. She is really cute, but I just wish, I wish her hair was a little bit more scary bowl cut. I think this one is cute. She is adorable, but I think she's my least favorite on the table. So for that, I say you are number 8. I'm sorry, my love. I'm sorry, but that is my sweet trouble. Then I would say, because I like all of them. Oh, they're so good. Oh, bitch. Oh, this is hard. Okay, this is hard. I think. Oh, fudge. Cookie crumble. I don't know. Because they're all really cute. I think it might be Twinkle Twinkle because I think Hachi Poo Poo is cuter. Okay, so Twinkle Twinkle, this is the Waiting in Snow. This one is super cute. And I feel really bad that I even have to rank him number 7 because Twinkle Twinkle is one of my absolute favorites and really should be closer to the top. But I think there are other ones in this collection that are cuter. So I'm gonna say this is number 7 and I'm so sorry. I love you forever though. Okay, bye. Number 6. Number 6. Oh, this is terrible. Okay, first world problem. They're gonna throw me in a volcano. I have to pick number 6. Who's number 6? I guess, I'm gonna, okay, I think it's gonna be the pimp. Okay, listen, I love his energy. I love his fur coat. I think that's awesome. This is the Dive Into Love. I love the green in the back. I think that's awesome. I love his little face. He is really fucking cute, but I just think the other ones on this table are cuter. And so he's number 6. Now number 5, number 5 is gonna go to Skull Panda. I think Skull Panda is cuter than the Labubu in this set. And I don't know, like I wish her eyes moved. That's my only like complaint. If her eyes moved, I think she would be like up, 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 up. But because she's like, I mean, she's kind of giving like snide bitch, which I'm here for. But I think the other ones that I have in front of me are just a smidge cuter. So we're gonna say that this one is number 5. But like she is everything. Oh, she's so angry with her little bowl cut. I love her bowl cut. She's fun. Okay. Number 4, I think is going to have to go to this little guy, My Deepest Secret. He is so cute, but I think the secret is actually cuter. So you're going to definitely be number 4 for sure. But I love his little crown. He's perfect. And I feel like I'm going to always have him in my bag because he kind of just goes with everything. And I love that. So I love that for you. Thank you. Okay. Number 4. Number 3, I think number 3 is going to go to Hachi. There's something about his stupid little face that is just so cute. And you know what he reminds me of? If you're watching the show from, oh God, what's his name? Oh God, what's the deputy's name? That's going to bug me. What's his name? Kenny. He kind of reminds me of Kenny a little bit because Kenny's always like, wide-eyed, you know, and he kind of reminds me of Kenny. So I'm going to call him Kenny. I think Kenny's number 3. He's so cute. I just can't. You're just like Kenny. You're number 3. I hope you survive. Okay. I hope you survive. Number 2 is gonna go to this little guy. This was unexpected. Also, the card is gold. I know, I love the card. The Hirono More Than Words. This one is gonna look so good with, what is the Albatross Vow from like the Twinkle Twinkle plush pendant series. Those two together are going to get into a lot of sticky situations. And honestly, I'm here to watch that show, okay? But he is so cute though, and I love him. But I'm not gonna lie though, fucking Crybaby I think is the cutest one in the whole goddamn series. And I would have been so upset if I did not get her, okay? Because she's so cute. Look how fucking stupid she looks. I love her. She's just such a little baby. I can't. Oh, I can't. She's my number 1. She's my number 1. And I feel like so many people are probably like, really? But like, she is so cute. She's so fat. She's so me. I love her. I love her. Okay. I'm in shock. I'm in disbelief. And honestly, again, this is curing me. This is curing me from all my allergies right now. And for that, I say thank you so much, my little babies. Thank you. Now, I would love to hear from y'all. Let me know down below if I was correct in my rankings. Please do let me know. And if not, scream at me in the comments. Thank you. And of course, thank you again to Popboxss for sending this to me. I appreciate it. And if you ever want to check out anything from Popboxss, feel free to use my code Theresa and you can save 15% off your order. Can I tell you, I must be getting good luck because last week I purchased the Crybaby set and I pulled a secret. Popboxss, they're good. They're blessing me. Thank you so much. And most importantly, I want to say thank you to my beautiful patrons and YouTube members for keeping this garbage boat afloat. I love your faces. And I'll see you little dumpsters tomorrow. Bye. Okay, listen, I was thinking, I'm a completionist. At the end of the day, I'm a completionist. And I think I need to bring Demu into this house and then I will feel like I'm complete. At first I was like, yeah, no, I'm totally fine not having it. Now I'm like, no, I kind of need to have it because I keep looking at Demu and I'm like, oh, you are really, really cute. So the greatest thing about Popboxss is that if you are someone that's like, listen, I don't like doing the whole blind box thing because like I just want to get the confirmed one. Well, baby, I got you. Because you can actually get the confirmed one, which listen, that's what I'm going to do. And I'm also going to be nice and get one for my mom because I know she's going to want to steal this from me. So I'm just going to be a good daughter and buy her one. Now my collection is complete. So if you didn't want to, leave it up to chance and you wanted this specific one, well, baby, they got you. I love when things have a happy ending. And I love it even more that I'm going to be using my code so I can save 15% off. Use code Theresa. Thanks.